In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add power-ups in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to log in to your Trello account. So go ahead and open the Trello website on your browser and sign in using your credentials. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be taken to your Trello dashboard where all your boards are displayed. Speaking of boards, let's navigate to the one where you want to enhance functionality with a power-up. Locate your workspace and click on the specific board you want to work with. This action will take you into the board view, where you'll see all your lists and cards. Next, let's look at the top right corner of your board. You should see a button labeled Power-ups. Click on that. This button is your gateway to enhancing your board with various tools and features. When you click on the Power-ups button, a drop-down menu will appear. Here is where you'll select the Add Power-ups option. Doing this will take you to the Power-ups directory, which is filled with a variety of tools and integrations you can add to your Trello board. Now comes the fun part, browsing through the options. Take your time to explore the different categories available in the directory. You can also use the handy search bar if you're looking for something specific, like a calendar power-up or a time tracking tool. There are so many choices to enhance your productivity. Once you've found the power-up that fits your needs perfectly, click on it to see more details. Most power-ups will provide a brief description along with some screenshots or highlights of what they can do. When you're ready to add it to your board, simply click the Add button. Congratulations! You've just integrated a new tool into your Trello board. Now let's make sure everything is set up just right. After you've added your power-up, you'll see it pop up on your board. Look for the Settings button next to the power-up. Clicking this will give you the option to configure various settings. Depending on the power-up, you might need to link it to third-party accounts or customize how it operates within your board. For example, if you added a calendar power-up, you'd probably want to link it to your Google Calendar or set up notification preferences. Take a moment to explore the settings to ensure everything aligns with how you want your board to work. And that's it. You've successfully added a power-up to your Trello board. These tools can significantly enhance your efficiency and streamline your workflow, so make sure to take full advantage of everything they offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Enjoy using Trello and let those power-ups take your project management to the next level.